In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer. What we're going to use is this program called CCleaner. We're going to click on that. If you don't have CCleaner, I highly recommend you get it. There will be a link down in the description below if you want to download CCleaner. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Run Cleaner, and we're going to wait for it to clean the computer. This will take some time depending on how much junk you have in your computer. And that is how you clean and speed up your computer.